Okay, recap on everything. What I did was I basically sauteed. I'm doing a vegan. Sauteed a little bit of grapeseed oil, a little extra virgin olive oil, about a couple tablespoons, and then I added a couple of tablespoons of the brown rice flour, which turns into a roux. So that's a roux that begins the bechamel, but I'm not going to use any milk on this. In this case, I'm going to use some stock, which I had in a pot, and I boiled it and I already poured it in there. So once you get that sauteed, you add a little bit of bell pepper, you add some onions, some diced onions, bell peppers, and then you mix it up. And then I added some, if you see in there, there's broccoli, there's some peas, and then there's some green beans. So and then you stir that up, you add that up, and then I season it with a little bit of sea salt. This is sea salt, and then this is I ran out, so I did a couple tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Then you and then you peel. Make sure you peel this. Peel it. Do not put them in there with the peeling. You can peel them, wash them, and then dice them up, and then add them in here. And that's a turnip. That's what a turnip looks like, okay? And then you allow that to cook. You simmer it and simmer it and simmer it, and then you allow that to cook. And then you're going to do an immersion blender. And you're going to immersion blend this, and it's going to be delicious. It's going to be healthy. You'll love it for you and your kids. I'm telling you, I love it. It's around that time of the year, so you want to get your nutrients into your body. Alrighty, hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.